Hello, in this video I'll show you how to use the Pexels Images in Explaindio 4.0. So this is a new feature introduced in version 4.026. In a previous video I showed you how to set up the Pexels API integration, so please watch this video. So I've got Explaindio here with a project open. If you click on the royalty-free images button in the menu bar up top, you'll see these two options. Click on Pexels Images, and it'll open the Pexels Images gallery, where you can search for images. So for example, if I search for travel and click search, it'll display the travel-related images. And if I click on this image, it will automatically be downloaded. So if I go to the Explaindio main folder, under the Pexels Images subfolder, you will see that the image has been downloaded. So let's go back to Explaindio, where I've got this project open. Let me create a new scene. And here we have a blank canvas. Click on Add Bitmap Image, and then choose Add Images from Pexels. This will open the Pexels Images gallery. Let's use the search box again, and search for mountains, and click Search. And here are the search results. Now if I click on this image, for example, it will download and vectorize it. I'll check this box so don't sketch, and then click Add, and it'll be added to the canvas. I can then click the Scale Full Screen button, like so. And that's how you can add an image from Pexels to your project. One final note, in both these cases, the Pexels images are downloaded to the Pexels Images subfolder. Well, that's pretty much it. I'll see you in the next video.